Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to do multi-frame analysis of both Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. Let's begin the analysis with Bank Nifty. As you can see on daily chart, in the current week, Bank Nifty was moving back and forth between the levels of 36,470 and 35,435, 437, which means that there was no clear direction. Both buyers and sellers were trying to turn the momentum in their side, but they could not do it so. But one thing which is pretty apparent here is the wick on the lower end is longer than the wick on the upper end, which means that buyers are putting more pressure. Buyers are putting pressure on sellers and they are pushing the price up. If I go to daily chart, you will see this back and forth movement in fine grained detail. This is a channel pattern, we can call it like that as well. See how price is moving back and forth. But at the end, after three unsuccessful attempts by sellers to push the price up, Bank Nifty found support at 35,000. Let me see the level, 36,500. And as a result of that, we can see two bullish candles, which means that looks like the selling pressure has subsided and buyers have begin accumulating, and this accumulation can snowball into a beginning of uptrend if high of current week is broken on the back of rising volume. So if you are a conservative trader, what you have to look for is you have to observe how price moves above high of current week, that is 36,500, on the back of rising volume. If you are aggressive trader, you can wait for this particular minor supply zone which is above 36,200, and if there are signs of buyers coming in, then you can take the position over there, but do not go higher than 36,250 as your target, because this might be a level where you again see price coming to lower levels. So it's better to close out your position at 36,250 if you are taking buy side trade at 36,200. And for aggressive trader, you can wait for the channel pattern or high of the channel pattern to be taken down on the back of rising volumes. I am going to tell you all the important levels such as entry, stop loss and multiple targets at the end of the video. Now I am going to analyze Nifty 50. Similarly to Bank Nifty, we are going to do multi-frame analysis. So on the daily weekly chart, we can see similar formation of candle. There is a doji candle and price was moving back and forth between the levels of 15,255 and 14,977. One thing that we have to pay attention to is size of the wick. Here, as opposed to Bank Nifty, the wick on the upper side is longer than the wick on the lower side, which means that sellers are imposing their authority. But if we go to daily chart, we see a different story. I'm going to zoom in as much as possible. Pay attention to all the wicks. This is one wick on the upper side, second wick, this is third wick. And look at the size of the wick on the lower side. One, two. There are only two wicks, but the wick on the lower side is longer. As a result of that, we can see this bullish candle. Also the volumes were pretty good too. They were not expanding, but they were decent. As a result of that, we saw Nifty 50 approaching the high of the current week, but unfortunately sellers came in at that particular time as well. Support level is established at 15,100. If I go to lower time frame, you can see how price is moving back and forth. So many attempts made by sellers to push the price lower. This is a clear example of that. One, two, three. Again, this longer wick, which again I'm showing that on the lower time frame, it looks like buyers are trying to accumulate, but on the weekly time frame, we can see that sellers are imposing the pressure. What we can do, if you are an aggressive trader, wait for Nifty 50 to break the barrier of 15,200, and the we can square up the position at 15,250, which should be high of the channel pattern. What is the high? High is around 15,255. Make sure you sell at maybe 15,250, just below that. And if you are a conservative trader, you have to make sure that the breakout of the channel pattern happens, which is above 15,255 on the back of rising volume. Do not keep stop loss more than 25 rupees. As I say, and I have seen here in Nifty 50, the average range in a week is not more than 500 to 600 rupees. As opposed to Bank Nifty, we can easily see 1000 rupees session. Based on that, and I have also gone bit conservative, I have chalked out these levels. As you can see, these are the levels for aggressive trader. For conservative trader, I have given you level. I'm again going to mention that take the trade once the channel pattern is broken with high volume activity. And the most important thing is, which I have been emphasizing almost every single time in my videos, is learn the art of trailing stop loss. If you master that strategy, you are going to be profitable in epidemic proportions. 5,000 profit can easily turn into 10,000, 15,000, and even more than that. So learn that art and you will be successful. You need not require to take huge quantity of data, just trail your stop loss. I'm going to share this also in my Telegram channel as well. Links will be mentioned. All the links, including links to my Telegram channel and other video where I have given strategy for how to select swing trading stocks or day trading stocks. You can find all those links. Thank you for watching.